I love red cars, and this Audi RS5 is absolutely amazing. A 4.2 liter, 450 horsepower, fuel stratified V8 engine, plenty of acceleration, top speed 174 miles an hour. The headlights are reminiscent of the A6, of course, and with the new bi-xenon bulb and LED running lights, man, it stands out very nicely day or night. Plus, of course, you have a more distinctive, aggressive styling to it, and they're only producing 500 of these for sale in the United States. So this is definitely one nice collector's item. The rear of the RS5 is awesome with your lower rear diffuser. You also have the self-activating, speed-activating rear spoiler, which is very distinctive and gives it a nice bold appeal, just like on the A7. Sorry, I'm at the auto show right now. I can't show you how the car performs, and I can't even let you listen to the Bang & Olufsen 505 watt 14 speaker sound system. They take the accents of the aluminized treatment on the outside, from the grille to the mirrors to the trim around the windows, and they bring it in with a similar carbon fiber type aluminum treatment here. This new shift knob is very soft touch with a perforated leather, and that's highlighted on the 3-spoke flat bottom racing steering wheel. And the Nappa leather seats have the RS5 emblem embossed in the interior of it, which just gives you a little touch, very subtle.